depression they do. If not be this social media, do you know how many married women where they waka they talk? Where people, some kind married women go la ga. Depression no, you have to coordinate binya. When you see some married women for party, the way you go talk, it go be like small pikin where they newly born. It go be like say since not they yet again. Now depression, if you know married women or since na married women, na married woman you bring, that's why they use that word, married woman. Okay? If you see hello mommy, Merry Christmas. If you see some married women, he go talk. You yourself go say, Jesus, for Mariana you wa. A depression waro honi. So go dress, you no color riot anymore. You no akpola na gilo. You no wig na fifwa. A depression siye. Emi na ni nuwe muo nuwe dege be binyenye ma dege. You see married woman will say busy so to wak balete 1 year wak ba. You go see married woman, you say you want go do nails, those way like nails. You go say vaya if il est quoi meme izuo. E depression sie no na watie bonek beberi yo ba mi yen wakati e bonek be meme izuo. Amumeria, in amumeria izuo if il go kwa. Oh God. Depression and a different categories now, especially we black. I don't know the kind of blood where God take create us. We too strong. We go manage. We go they manage and they go. We go still use depression to rub makeup. Where wa ogere magba. Ereri mama gba. Better ya manage here. At least no depression. You know if he carry us all around. If you no cash makeup, we go cash clean your house. If you no cash clean your eye, go cash go work. Or take care of your children. Do you know how many areas where depression they work on women? You don't almost see it, but it's depression. When depression, just that the depression is they get level. That they get depression when they go a cake. Why if they get depression where black women they get when married to black men? If you see black women when married to white, if they're depressed, they go far. You know why? Because so boss a bit depressed person. So when you come kukuma depressed for their house, so where you can't last check up. You not feel depressed, you did the they'll make you depressed. Some of them, they not get joy, they not they give unto person. So when you want even look for something to take get joy, you be going you. You see why women we marry boy if they want depressed. Oriya wari joy even about that. In short, agba we ye shin. Oibo can really depress you to the lowest level of depression. Yes, sorry guys to those who marry to white. I'm not saying general. But I'm just comparing. Say, black we marry black, and black we marry white. If two of them start depression raise from the one. And your man guess it go. The one we marry black. Oh yeah, Rema. Oibo. No stop. Oh wala we. Oibo husband. Sabane you are depressive or Oibo husband do we need Jesus. Well, what depressive or Oibo husband? We full. Or maybe I give. Or maybe all your family member number one they will turn to wishes are wizards. You will not know why. Oh, Sanerame. You will just be like, in short, black people will be your number one enemy. Whether you know them, you don't know them. I beg. God, any married woman here for Iboas, may you not depress in Iboas in Jesus' name. May you not depress, because everyone obi woman. Depression or webo. I'm a boss of a woododi. Or binyawa. I'm not depressive or webo. I'm in marry. Ebo mebe na ya mo marry with depression ye wa kokere o wa samuru pajo. Egbe ya anu wewe do hion me to we ya wo lo. Ebo wa we gbe kan we you go do kaka. Oh, salobua. Oh, hian happy wa gbawe mu yota gbawe mu paya gbawe gine bedi. Okay, me I leave that side. Not be that side we come for. Okay, but marry black, depression, hope the day sometimes. You go still see a fellow half depressed black woman still talk to. Oh, we call on him before. Oh, the maybe adigbe. Oh, me guguwa. You understand? So, oh my God. Stuff all define the meaning of the word depression. That will guide us into the master proper meaning. Thank you, my lady. You're right. You understand me? So, very funny, but that's true anyway. Okay, and we black, although on social media these days, one thing common, anybody just use toto dance, depression. Who use nyash dance, depression. Who come out 3 times a day, depression. Who make up, who make up not fine, depression. Who no show anything where that they do for his ass, depression. Who laugh, depression. In short, so many things where they for social media where presenters they tell una say na depression. That is not how to know depression. Okay, and this depression of a teen, if they get different stage. Some people feel just they down of themselves. They are angry, they are down. But we black will just turn into depression. Even the person itself will turn into depression. Okay? Because depression, sign of depression are when you really don't have the interest of doing anything anymore. Everything they so tired of everything. Things not the same. You understand? So, okay. So, my brother, married woman, they dead depressed. Now, who know wear Christmas jumper, they'll say he depressed. Who know set Christmas tree, he depressed. Who no show gift, he depressed. Who no paint mat or pin, he depressed. Who laugh, he depressed. Who in with the follower. There's so many things where they call depression. Please, that is not depression. Okay? That is not depression. If you really see live video people where really they depressed, where depression really they worry. I think now only one I'll fit talk say maybe a depression never high, but I think that person loneliness can also lead people to depression. That's why all this type of making rules and regulation, I won't make friend, I won't go near person, I'm just stay on my own. Most times, take care, make sure that before you cut the whole world out of your life, make sure that you have the whole world to yourself. You know what I mean by the whole world. Number one, money. Because when you have money, you have the whole world. Not be when you no get money, now you go constantly cut everybody through way. Depression and every jamais. But if you get money, you say, I know one person, I know one person, I know one person. It's not the quick cash you. If you want lolly, you will enter ticket. Pion. You travel to somewhere interesting to you. If you need anything, you be say, you buy. You have your own small world to yourself. You want to watch anything in the world, you click on your video. You be steady film. You know they lack you. You will not be depressed. You will not be lonely. But whereby nothing complete. You no get paper. You no get connection. You no get work. You no get husband. Your children are guangana. You yourself, things where you get, not be where you really wish for. And now you cut everybody come off for body. I give you some period of time and see that you something will start worrying your head. Okay? So don't cut people out when you are not rich. The white people, where they cut people come off for body, that they live for inside bush. You know why? They have everything. They have everything. Football field go there. Swimming pool go there. Better cars go there. They can from there. Taxi go pick them up straight to airport to fly the whole world. Okay? Even at that, some of them still they depressed. But at least for we black, if we get that early before we depress, because of the kind of, I don't know, the kind of blood we God give us. Okay, so let me go to married women. My brother, your wife fit dey down, really dey down. They think, they enjoy a marriage for a very long time. It dey the reason why we go make your wife say, marriage don't tire me. Not be social media make that woman make the decision, but at the same time, social media might influence a decision to be strong to take a decision. A lot of people know that today something is wrong with them. They are not doing the right thing, but they are not strong enough to take decision. They need somebody to encourage them to say, come on, you are doing it right, do it. You understand? So social media right now is filling that gap for a lot of people. Oh, lockdown caused depression for a lot of people. You understand? Social media is giving people that support where they be need from friend to clap for them. Cheerleader. Social media is doing cheerleader for a lot of people. They hear it. Oh, if you have a good heart, keep on doing your good. Your good is good. It's good to be good. It hold them together. Then they go here again for another place. And this year, don't sit in one place. Do something. Don't just fold your hand. Think about yourself, what you want. It hold them together. They go another place. Another one will say, no matter what you are passing through right now, receive what me go. Worry. Really, it hold them together. So they'll still go another place. Carry your husband for head. Solve your problem with your husband. Try to speak on your relationship. Communicate is the key to sweet home. Take care of your children. He hold them together. Sometimes they hear it. Not be only your children get this character. Everybody gets on. That thing where your picking they do. So this is how to go about it. He hold them together. Then at the same time, they will constantly hear say, married woman, may go do like this, may go do like this. For how many years you marry, the romance, they do this, it can never change. If you say make it change, it go come tell you say where you for Sabian and they hear all these things. And one day go hear the one who says, stand for yourself. You only live once. Why will you live all your life when you be saying just once? You are not happy with somebody you are with. The person don't want to change. Not for you, but change for your relationship. We always preach this thing, motivational speaker. Don't change for anyone. Be yourself. But change for your relationship to work. If you want to be yourself, you be yourself for yourself. But when you are into anything that is relationship, it takes two. Into partnership, it takes two. You must change. You must. That's why every company get different rules and regulation where people they follow. The one where you get for your house, they different. The one where you go follow for working place, they different. Now, so it still be the moment. Look at me today. I am doing all my thing on my own by myself. I'm so happy. Compared to when I used to have somebody I need to consider, I need to put myself into their shoe, I need to think about them, I need to look their eyes, I need to look into the relationship. You understand? So sometimes all these women that they also hear say, if you are into relationship and the person refuses to change for you, you are the only one that is bending for the person. You are the only one that consider the person. The person doesn't consider you. It's a toxic relationship. And if you don't leave it on time, believe me, you will be so wounded, nobody can ever treat you again. Sometimes you will even change your ways, your character. People that knows you before will begin to say, why you change? Not be so you fair be. Why you can't be like this? Okay, my brother. So it can be that social media really don't influence the way your wife be they take your bullshit. Now your wife is wiser. Hello? And they use the other phone, they Facebook. Okay, contribute. You want contribute?
Yes, I want contribute.
Oh yeah, contribute now.
Okay.
Sean Conner, I know block you.
This topic is very sweet. I just want to tell you that the topic is sweet. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay. Sean Conner. All my haters from everywhere. Oh, I comment to your platform. I'll leave una no block una. Because your comment not they touch. You know if you cut anything come out from my body. One way you cost me so. Trust me, I get 10 people for you. We go reply you. Even your mama. I bet Mona help me use comment. Mona tell and say your mama, your papa. You see, okay? So, something depressing can be organic as a result of a chemical imbalance in the brain and hormonal imbalance. Yes. You understand? So my lovely people and the man will bring this matter come. My brother, your wife, he don't marry for years. He never fit stand for herself. He really, they take all your nonsense. You refuse to change. He not be today, don't know you. But right now, she don't the hear message where they make her feel like, yes, this is how I feel. She go, they give the man Viagra until the man go, beme. Yo, only why we tell me now. Yay, Sweet Gossip is here today. Yay, we are happy. Yay, that's our mommy inside GPCO. And we greet you. That's our mommy. Okay, so it go be say your wife don't they hear all this talk and it don't they get courage to speak out, to do it by herself. Because she has been waiting for you. You don't want to wait. Yes. Number one, wetin go make your wife dey this depression where you talk. So which is just done. Because black people, they add us to go into that deep one here. But we they go into all this like, yeah, you dey weak, disappointments, yeah. Oh, you know, with the day down like that. Tired of talking to somebody again and again, you know, the year word, you are tired, you made the move, and the, no, you understand what I mean? Okay. Lack, number one, my brother, check your home now. May you write this one down. May you take go check your wife. If you check all these things, you go know the reason why your wife say, I want to leave you. I don't want this marriage again. I am depressed. I want to leave you. I am sick and tired. I am not happy in this marriage. Okay? Number one, lack. When lack dey house, you say lack not dey on a house. Okay? When lack of everything, lack of money to use, it dey quickly make marriage of something dey sour women like and back character can't join her. You understand? So first of all, my brother, check. Lack of food day. Lack of wetin the woman will need for herself day. Lack of this day. Lack of that day. Check her. Yes, so depression can be. You understand? Then another one where they make woman get tired of a marriage. When she go come call and say, I am depressed. Me, I usually don't 100% believe that depression, because the real depression, just like somebody really they write for year, they go far. That one they go far. But the one where we take the sing and the pray. Now those normal, you know, you are down, disappointment, too much quarrel, you are sick and tired of that situation, it's drawing you down, weighing you down. You know, we all normally call it depression. But the real depression, that one is more heavy. Sometimes even that depression they come because of sickness. Some people, their brain not go they work well again. You understand? But this woman, I don't want to call it like a real depression, but she's done. She's done with the situation at home. Like no way forward. She black out. The only way forward is to leave you, because women, even now that she say she want to leave you, you still did not see your error, you not see your mistake, you still they say everything for us, everything good. Boy, where has just everything where they say I want go. Now few the muri are very your name the terrible. Okay, disrespect can cause it also. When you the disrespect woman, she know they see her respect the way she really wants it. Sometimes she they open mouth, they tell you, I don't like the way you take they disrespect me in public, the way you take they disrespect me to your family, the way you take they disrespect me to my friends, the way you take they disrespect me for public. But you know they change. You know they change. It's not good. This one, you know, those of you that are using F words, okay, like FU where you talk. So do you know if people report, I block you. If people report that your FU where you write just now, Facebook go restrict you. Now they make Facebook they restrict a lot of people. They go they say Monica gang na evil, Monica gang na evil. The things one and they comment is too harsh. FU. Facebook is against it. You don't tell people FU. A lot is going on. You see, white people know they take all those things because they know a lot is going on in the world with people. You don't say that to them. That's why they know they agree all those harassment word where they worry person for it. But me, now you tell me, man, who will not tell me what do come bawa. So please, some kind of your comment is what they report or Facebook see that can restrict you. Why someone go here? Now so that they block everybody. Now so now what do now they talk? The one where say Monica they name me just now. I not block and leave her. Shon connaît again now my comment. Shon connaît I'm the miss your comment abe comment. Okay? Disrespect. They make woman. They feel down. They make husband, they tire women when not really desperate. Women when no say they can do better, even when they are low self. Disrespecting them, sometimes one day they are sick and they are tired of it. Okay? Disrespecting them not mean say, but I tell they disrespect my wife. Sometimes your wife cook, he prepare and come. Wawa down, we na even come pote nule. That's disrespect. Okay? Even if na pote, you have to have a way of saying it. Next time, my wife, I like this one well. But next time, we like you to put, add this thing to it. I usually like it like that. Maybe you forget. Go say, you never first tell me, okay. Next time, better add this one to it. Say it in a respectful way. Or you come, your wife has no clean the way you want it to be. What if you were, that is disrespect. You are being disrespectful. The woman might not take it. Okay? Because some women, when you tell them it's like you kill their spirits. Some women, not be all of them, they're strong enough, get high esteem personality to hold themselves. Some of them, they begin to feel as if because you they flirt outside, you don't see the one way clean person, you don't see the one where you accept it picking, especially when we're born for outside. Don't you ever You understand? Don't you ever use such words for your wife where they ask, where you know say you don't born for outside. Whatever you way. It go feel say the one where they outside and you they choose. Yes, they work on these women like this. You understand? So mind the way where you they use all this type of words for your wife where you know say you know too they vibrant, not too they vocal, not too they like defend herself. Rather, she like to enegbe. Some women, people, person like me, you enegbe me worry me worry no boy. But although I don't tell her say for years, I don't even do that in my marriage anymore. Okay. So lack of care. When you don't care, you go say Saturday, I dey go hang out with my friend, and your wife will tell you only, I wish I fit just sleep for like 4 hours today without children coming to hit me. Please, can you take them along? You say, I want for what now? Today, I want to go hang out. You cannot stop your happiness for the one you say you love. How do you want them to feel as if you really care? I care, I love you. Not be by maths. Not be by some go say, you know say as I love you, my mate, they born for outside. You see say I born for outside. Wait till that one call me. Go born for outside now. You understand? Lack of care makes a woman to break away. It they break some women. A lot of married women, they need to start caring for themselves inside marriage. Now it keep many of us. Please, black men, work on this. Care for your wife. Put them as your priorities. Not only by material things. Sometimes they want to see your attention, your time, be caring for them. Not be take money for them. Sometimes you want to see you stopping your own enjoyment to just be with her. It means a lot of women. No woman will not like attention of care. No woman will not like, leave this thing today, let me do it for you. You understand? Black men, please. The reason why you see some black women crazy about Iboas, now this type of small care. Where a wife will just sit down and say, I'm feeling cold today. Your husband go bring blanket, come take cover am. Go make tea, come give am. Go make pepper soup, come give am. Look for something. Do you want me to massage your leg? Massage am. Or we want to run some black men. Woman will just say, I defiko, go say, but why we wear white care? We don't your talk. On you when you know, if they break the women out, they know they fit talk. Please, this little cares. Okay? And women, please. I don't say this somewhere they talk, so make you start to they use until they compare yourself. Oh, that my friend will say, this thing where you just my husband they do. If I just say let they pay me, go just leave. Now God they use your marriage, God they compare those type of things. So fake life too much, I'm more black, suffering and smiley, or ikbo fiara. A China gi question yourself. I give me suffering and smiley. I mean a Devali Express. A street market I in a door. You don't come off too much. Street market 1 euro, 3 for 3 euro. Sometimes 5 for 3 euro. AliExpress not they say it's too cheap. Yama go ni agbenyo. Okay? Pretending, fake, smiley, suffering among blast marriage is too much. It's ogbele kwakwa. So before you sit down there and begin to consider your marriage with that your friend that is just using mouth to tell you, or sometimes you go the husband really they do. Oh, na plan work, not go for a puto. Na plan work, you don't live with them titi lai. Okay? I beg go. I don't see people like that. When you there around, they become best husband and wife. But God exposed them through their children. Okay? There is no way Papa go correct, Mama go correct, children ye gaga. Awa. de ke yana iri obo me abiobe teacher awa abiobe nebo don't do. So please, men, just change your ways. Care for your wife. Black women, Maggie like care, attention. That's why they see, say, when you go on Saturday, you carry khaki, and they go, now that time your wife go say, you know, just take carry and follow body. You know, sometimes they do it for her. As he just say, you just see they go, today, not say go, bab, Osasume hair. Just say, I really talk with my wife before get now to like you. Okay, no problem. I must bab am before I go. So assume when you come now, me I come bab you. Why when no what disappointed trap in our setting? You just carry the wap up or when you late. You even they call your friend for a present. Hello, guy, I'll late small. Because I want to your help my woman. Make sure say I do this thing where I want to do for her later. I'll late small, but I they come. Family first too. Okay, thank you. You see that thing so. Oh, how we are. We come in your way now. So we say oh, because when you book why make baby very now see you no more. We work oh. Our plans are not that caring. They go say what you need. Everything there. Yes. I'm telling you, our plans are not that caring. They don't even know that time. Black women. Me, I don't know why God put those type of things where black women like for inside black women. No put them inside black men. Black women go like romance. One woman just now, since we had they look for boyfriend, and I don't get the one where they romance me. I really like romance. No there. I know if you watch a video, why romance me? Black women go they look for romance. Black men go come. That's why you see all this Akia channel on social media. Nobody is talking about romance. Everybody is talking about big cassava, big cassava. Even techno, I get them for big cassava, because now what black man no be that. Then black women where they go come create them, make they look for romance up at them. Wala wo black men. Wa romance yen like egbe, on wa we teme ba wa we turn me Monica iya be ministry me na. Hello, I still the live video. Yeah.
Good evening, ma. Am I speaking to Yekiwan?
Yes, you're on the right place.
Is that Monica Lobolobos?
Now me be that a new TA.
Now, black made the romantic way. What do you mean?
Where I'll not take the romance. I'll not take the romance. What not they do like this?
Now, my wife did talk say, don't go tell my wife. Now, so she did talk say, black men not the romance. First do this, first do that. Which can do this, do that.
Black men, I bet more than the romance. Oh yeah, learn now. Come listen. May you forte do your wife. May your wife ask you say, why na guena? Uwe platform here. Iyeki one of social media.
No, my wife. If I ever do romance or I tell my wife say I love you, he na quarrel. When you go there, I love you.
Oh, the baby. Oh my God. I love you when the bell love you don't need where you they watch that thing, what you they read for them. Black me, I beg. We too like una, but we want more romance. Yeah. You see, fellow woman just now. Since this woman, we are the friend man. Oh, we are yet a man again romance. Like every now and then, go they find way to go there. Then the thing never warm up. Go talk. This time, finally, he don't see the one way for go for romance. Now, I got the present man. Oh, God bless you, my lady. I'm so happy for you. Oh, my God. See, mama, finally, I don't see black man with a be romance. Oh, Baba, the romance. Anyway, new cash here now. Why continue? New cash, no black man. New cash. I don't know whether not their papa tell them. Say if you newly cash, do like this. After you don't go. Yeah, because there's a be my lady all now. What I yo. Say this romance where you they do so now I like where the day where you go change. My character go change. They talk for a year, and I mean they tell you before you go there one day now. You not go come like and you say this man waiting. Because now so they be. There's a bit do first day. First love. Zekbeban. Ima no where you no fair no say na so the man be before he enter. You no fair no na so the man be before you enter. You go come say no the time when we newly meet really they need we need black men one here. We need one no black men abeg na change. Una dey yes so abeg. Romance where you take start from day one. As it's sweet this my sister can't give testimony. My brother, continue like that. Not let them stop, oh. Not let them stop, oh. Because if you stop, okay. So, black men, please give us care. Be concerned. Care. We love it. You see, when we are cooking in the kitchen, come around. Touch nyash. Use and dead bokeke. Touch and small. Even if the woman not there used to run. Because he go come ask you, say, we wanna go. Where's the yotame? We that go na. Oh my igawe. Ma like it. You hear? If you do this thing where they tell you, my brother, I swear, your wife when they talk now say, it go change. If woman see better romance, all this one that they go do juju. I want call you juju. Take collect woman. Give a better romance. Not be boo no raw. Romance in no raw. I confess. Hello.
Hello, Iyeki one, please.
Iyeki one on the line. Anytime when you want to talk secret one, I will cut you again.
No. There is just a point you made which sounds very, very sweet. Say,
Okay.
if you dey cook, go come dey touch nyash.
Yes. You not join.
I'm not listening. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, we are hearing you.
No, you said if you are cooking, if our wives are cooking, one of the things to be very romantic that women like
Yes.
when they are cooking, we should come and touch the nyash.
Mm-hmm.
Is that correct?
It's very correct. Yes.
Meaning, wait, hold on. Sorry. Is this
No.
nyash equivalent to ikebe, or are they both the same, or there is another nyash we are talking about?
It's the same. The ikebe. Some get nyash. The nyash is the flat one. The ikebe is the big ones.
Okay, so that irrespective of the size, we can touch it anytime they are cooking in the kitchen.
Yes.
Yeah, because actually, when women stand away, like my wife, if you stand in the kitchen to cook, sometimes if you view the KPN, the proximity is very attractive. So, meaning we can touch it.
Yes, you can touch it.
Well, don't close,
Okay, bye. Like say na the pan. Exactly. Igbum. No, please. Okay. Then lack of care. I don't feel talking just now. They make woman tired, like she can never be appreciated. Because if you care, for us, it feel as if you appreciate us, you care. You know, say we did that, we they represent. You understand? Okay. Abuse of children. Some women where they ask, maybe because the woman not they work. Anything where pikin do, what bubine go. Some women not they like. If you like now your wife, it not like me you they beat the pikin. If you do the beat the pikin, go they depress the woman. Go they do her like say you not like her children. It go they do her like say her children are the worst in this world. Now different thing they make some women weak, eh? Please, men we get our bonnet when I see some house where papa bang, it they make me shame. How can a father be beating children? Jesus, now more that they beat children. Papa na action. Not be beating. Papa where they beat. Not because of my, you understand so. You don't know your right, your duty. They say action speak louder than voice. Mothers use voice and they baby. Papa use action. Eh? My God. Eh? My husband never beat children. Never. But me we say sometimes they owe you baby. You now one time like this, boom. My only the me Monica we who your baba where. But fear not to let them do that one to their own father. We not even they touch them. You they hear me so? So I don't understand all this father where they beat person. I beg me before I can't grow rich like this. My papa na action. You know they beat us, but we fear and pass our mama where we they stay with for us 24/7. In where they come every weekend. If they come like this, we don't hear ping ping. Mama where they talk since. Wa dolo wa yikeru wa mezeyo. Mo ye it's udware go bamba. A dole ya ji pok. But egg bomb o. That I wo any on yagiwe. Ubumase. So please go and train yourself and be a father that have a way of disciplining his children. No bang bang. It depresses some mothers. Like me. Thank God I don't get that kind man. When you give my daughter go, you depress me, you pain my heart. My heart will be broken for months. Please don't do it. So if they abuse, brother, we bring and come. Check. You they beat our children? Do you beat our children? Do you abuse her because our children do something wrong? Do you insult her? Do you blame her for what your own children also did? Instead of you to talk to your children, you start to insult the woman as if she's an ass girl to your children. Your children go on light. Now the wife you go say, for what? Or woman divi we yanking where God do where my way. Where my daughter, when you want light, off it. Why must your wife be the one to walk after your children like ass girl? So that one is not right. It annoys a lot of women. Okay? They don't like it. They rather want to be a single mother than being a man at home and become a slave to everybody in that house. Yeah, I might make king, you know, be there. When you abuse our children, blame her for all our children error, which is your own children, and our family. If papa do something, you go come put on for your wife head. If brother thief your money, you come put on for your wife head. If your sister-in-law talk to you, say you dey shop his sister money, you come put on for your sister, your wife head. If they make woman they depress. You understand? They make woman they dead down. Or if they make them they confuse. Please, you have to stand for your wife. If his sister do you something, take it like your own sister done you something. Don't put it on her. If her father talk to you anyhow, take it like your own father have talked to you. Don't put it on her. You understand? Putting it on her, make her to look as if she don't know where she belong anymore. Don't do it. They make a word of the tired person. Lack of sex, the big cassava na talk about the sincere. Lack of sex and not doing sex well. Now two type of sex, now women they lack. Either sex we not there at all. Or the one where you they do better. What we sex from January to December. Yeah, those we don't know say sex the sweet just now they say yeah, magino, arievwenko. Sex no rien we are wow we ya rien we. Wow we ya myoko. On rien we ko rien we what they vun we ko. E kenu jegbe also wokin. Okpe akya we ya fienfo. Okono what they carrying you what do? Ana me where you not be married. I'm married. You dey hear and so. You hear and so. I mean you know what man. I mean read on me. It mean a lot. You understand, my brother? If you must give sex, women love romances, gentle sex, quiet sex. All those kpank. Ashawa, ooh, I don't feel talk on that day. Ashawa na page. I want win na your kpank. Pok. Women with their ass. Yeah, go like kpank. Because they get children stress, bee stress, wala stress, life stress. They don't want kpank. They want the one where you suffer want. We kwa yo boya we ave tu e popani ro. Wa yo bo we wo is a one to pin do aran we wa gba. Eh oni ro wa do lucky. Iyamalake. Bang. Iyamalake. January to December. If you tear in mind now. Becky, that's not food. You understand? You understand? Otherwise, sex na food where they talk. Not be saying like the one where all these people they do have that every day. Not be that one. Sex na food where they me. The one where they vont my co. No vont my co. I me obi mi re. Ya we dedegbe. Oga vun we ko we dedegbe. O ave ri re yon ti on je be ne. E o bi ahin, o bi so ahin ne o ala we. You understand? So please, my brother, every week you must buy cream where you take to do your wife. You are not doing your work. You are not doing your work. Every week, cream what not a canestin or move your queen Betsy, Baba phone. Nana canestin. No, not be this one that they do. Not be this one that they do. You understand? So if cream where you buy, they go 1 year for one expiring dates. Okay, bang. What is the meaning of bang? Bang is rough sex. That's bang. Okay, married women before that they can't do yo. You understand? So go fair enjoy the enjoyment. Just want to make her sweat. Go every day. Na bien we vayaw we mi ke no ko na we vaye sese you mo me ka we fo vayaw e ka we mi vayaw o bi re me dan me no rien de o me rien a wa lo e ko all the time to mi yo egbe no mama enjoy o pagbe won feel mareva gbe ye kan that kind of thing o je na we vayaw but you see that small sensitive whatever feeling so okay and you sabi do you big get big cassava but you not sabi do it not still good or you get small cassava you not realize say you get small cassava woman not they get big or small bekus like that. You understand? If you like now you disvirgin your wife. That one not me say the oh no. What about when picking they come? Picking no pass and come on. You see? So all women, the surface now they different. I'm a surface in a bodo, Emila. I'm a surface way. I'm a surface of ho. You understand? I'm a surface hippopotamus. Or rayoto bada. The surface. But to a gario vuni. I mean, that the sea surface will be like a but when you go dio, go make that the sea surface will look like a bedidodo, a mila. But when you go there, go still make. You see, so it's not by big surface, not the O, take the big. The O depends on the body of the people or the area where they for work or how they use their thing. Okay, avec mes elephants. So, you now, how God take create man? Man always small. Who power ya there? You don't need microscope. Man, where the quick come now what? You see, so you need to know now because woman who aka de you when no king kenuje egbedunje o emi loje o ogo je o who aka de you when but all week be aka de you we a o very na wa ya dege ze azun na hin agbalagba na hin emi la na awa dege oge sin na hin iba ke dege but ogi ko almost to la way. So my brother, you we already know say azun now you get, and you know, say women own. God not create and zwen. Anyone where you get, it must enter. But anyone where you carry can use and wear. You must realize and ask your wife. I know say I get a zwen, but I they try. It go say you they try, even if you know they try. But you must look the feeling to tell no say they try. If you hear your wife always the same sound, you know they try. It's very hard for women to come true for you. But if you hear your wife in every time when until they do this thing, a different sign. The one where it be say no make sign, but what see a bed or see a get boss, see a kid boss, see a kid. The one where it tell by itself go they open a badak bow. The one where go to the mafia. The one where go the one where go I don't see cookie. So if you hear all this type of sounds, you will know that despite that you have as when you are trying. But if you know they hear all this type of sound, you just oh yeah, I'm on the time. Hello. Hello, Jay.
Hello.
Merry Christmas.
Now, I want to contribute to you from what you just said now.
Okay.
Can I go ahead?
Yes, go ahead.
According to what you just said, that I'm your I can do you when I can, you know, high. As a motivational speaker, why I hope why out there, whatever.
What are you dege so what so not tare there is no way no ya mudia no do ye twin already tare no mudia dada again do my even no go alo so run o wa chuku you wegbe oye puku je no wu no oni fear okay ege no ya ni o do ni tan Evanya na mie Sonia oye baba na ge plank oye no ye baba overo ya ogokpia evanya na wa be mie ogokpia ni oye ne ivi no ro o mi o yere odo amu no kwa oh, no nie se ke no judge yen do bi on ga yo bokpole no tankere o yo bokpole go down. So waga make baveni. My brother, accept it and let your wife know. And I don't tell you how to tell no just now whether you degbe or you not degbe. If your wife always they make different sound at any different time, no say you they try. You are good. But if your wife always they give you one sign, uya, okay no, poro, uya ye your ma oni tell you wake, but you wake baby when you boom, you wake, but when get time of prayer. Okay, that's for said. Lack of vision. When a woman is in your house, she's like her life is not moving, her life is not increasing. Apart from the normal one, like giving birth, cooking in the kitchen, sleeping on your bed. She doesn't have no vision of her life, no purpose. She's not achieving nothing. She's not even doing that potential that is in her. She doesn't know her calling anymore. She's just like housewife. This housewife of 18. People always say it. I'm a housewife. Comfortable housewife. I'm a housewife by this. My husband wants me to be at home and be a housewife. Since I was born and now I am getting, I've never seen the happy housewife. Forever. I've never seen. All the housewives I see in Africa, God forbid something happen to their husband, they become at the end. That market where they not do before, they'll come start petty one for outside. A kiosk, the kiosk is showing. You understand it now? So, but that they see housewife by newly married. When you ask some women we get vision ahead, say, what do you do for it? You go say, I am a housewife for now. I am a new wedded. We just got married 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago. Why? That 5 years, 3 years, she dey born. Taking care of her children by herself is very important. I do that, so I always appreciate. Try it in my head. But if you not dey my situation that time, because when I dey born, I don't get paper. So I not go even feel work. Maybe that's the reason why I was able to do that. Okay, so I will not deceive you to tell you this how I do mine. I did mine like that because I didn't have paper to work. So I have no other option than to take good care of my children in those years where I was waiting. But if maybe you get paper, some women even they don't work before they marry. Advantage, big advantage. I always admire such. I admire such people. They don't work before they marry. They have income before they marry. So when they're born 3 months for house or 6 weeks, they put picking for crèche, they start working again. You always build a very good home if you really marry to understandable, appreciative man. It's the best. The best when your wife is a working class is the best man. Don't discourage your wife, please. Don't discourage your girlfriend where you the friend now. If we just marry finish, you will just sit down for her doing nothing. How dare you? Who told you that after marriage, woman don't have life? Who told you that your income should make a woman a fulfillment in life? What are you talking about? White people don't do it. That's why white keep on rising and rising and rising and rising. And black is going down, down, down. Because the things that are not in use is what we always admire. My wife don't work. Since I marry her, I stay at home. Are you for it? And this is educated person. This is somebody that is good for one thing or the other. You refuse her to search who she is and what she can do. No. Okay? Lack of vision can make a woman to be tired of that home. When I know that if I'm on my own, I can become what I want to become. Yeah, being under a man. And at the end of the day, I am nobody. I am nothing. My life is not running. Yes, women might have children and still feel her life is not running. Woman may be eating tilapia fish, yam, chicken, name it, jollof rice, ewedu, black soup, and still feel like she go still see her maid. And she will still be feeling jealous, feeling down, because she knows who she is and where she is today. She's a nobody. Okay? Don't do that mistake. Don't do that mistake. I'm a married woman. So, therefore, your vision, your life, your potential, what you want to become in life is closed down. Your purpose of coming to this life, you have not achieved it. You just close up. Don't do it, men. A lot of black men have been doing this to us. Don't do it. Women, please, with all due respect, in a calm way, gentle way, let your husband know, I want to go and work, not to compete with you, but to make me more happy and more fulfilled. Okay? Then you tell me to stay at 100%. No way. Okay? So, my brother, I think this part, your wife, social media has influenced your wife so much that she now sees herself that she's a waste. She's wasting away in your home there, where you still say you have everything. Everything is here. Handicap. She can do something for herself in a little way, but you will never support it. Are you a Dangote? Even Dangote wife, they do business. My Zuckerberg wife, Chinese woman, they do business. So why am I? He get computer company. Wanna go find her. She's doing business. She have her own company. Then our wife say, okay? Obama wife. He not say my husband become a president. Nothing for me at all again. She was having an organization. Do you know how much organization carry in a year? When it's well properly done. Do you think people where they do and they are stupid? So, please, even the rich people now use and take compare your wives. So, the rich people wives are working. The rich people, if you are really rich, do you know what you can do for your wife? If you really rich, you say, no, I'm so comfortable, I'm so rich. My wife cannot do a cleaner, very good and fine. Then enroll her, pay for a study for her. Let her become a professional of something. Let her be a freelancer. Your wife can be at home and be working and a freelancer. Carry a car and drive to wherever she wants to work. 2 days in a week, 3 days in a week. Sometimes she can off her phone and say, I'm taking off, I'm with my husband. But if this is not your wife idea, your wife just want to relax and be home, you don't want anything, okay, so be it. But some women, me, I don't know a lot of women where they beg their husband, I want to do something, and the husband says, no, I don't want you to do it, I provide for everything. It's not always money. It's about building that person's potential and purpose in life. It's about that person being happy with what she do with her life, how her life is running. Do you know how our life is running? How our life is running. How can a man just keep me for 20 years of my life? My life has not run in a way of working. Do you know these days, it's disgraceful, especially this social media now. That's why people are now also doing fake working. I just tired too much work where I work na lie or not work anything or na government they give her money. Okay? Because they are not saying now being a working class, it had to your value. It had to your reputation these days. I'm a housewife, comfortable housewife. Everybody know that. That's why that name that time was always giving up bad luck. People did not 100 want to believe that there is somebody in this abroad comfortable. Hey, wow, you see? That's why people always believe have a comfortable housewife, they're not comfortable. Because they know that it's not done. From there, they start to look which work the husband they do. I wear fabric, a comfortable. Then they begin to look which share, a comfortable, share. Because they know that one salary cannot go round. So they will begin to look all those areas where if person really not financially buoyant, what you can see. You begin to see it. You understand me? Okay. Thank you, everyone, my lovely people. That's why our people also, they mistake that big man wife. Until today, still they worry people as I don't talk and rich. Say big man is not by money. Big man is a title and a honor to somebody you feel he deserve it. Like me, people call me mommy. People we senior me, call me mommy. He said no being a they even senior me, so I can never bond them in my life. But they see it as a title, as a respect. So give it to me. You understand? So, big man, wife, does not mean her. Or what we if say, so I'll why big man wana. I'll why or see you won't do win electric pole. Or ya riva in my area. I'll why or see ye be ya leke. No we are making that grow. I'll why or we are tete or bow here or ye benia. So many things for me. why my husband is a big man in our home. It's not about the physical cash he have in the bank. No, it's about who he presents himself to be during all these years in our life. Time day where things were bad, people like her, man like her, because you won't waver, they run, leave the situation for the wife. But my husband will always be there. Time day where men they give women belly for this abroad, go send and go another country. But my husband was always there. Many men get passports for this country where I did. Not be they give their wife paper because they were not working, they not qualified. They refused to do what my husband did to make us qualify. Until today, in name still they follow our paper, they go. You understand? So those are things. How a man can take anything to make sure that he take care of his wife and family. Bible say a man that cannot take care of his family is worse than an infidel. A man that took it upon himself, I won't break that law of God. So to you, it's a big man to your home. Okay? So another one again, where they make women they sarcastic about their husband and their home, that they are sick and tired of this marriage that doesn't add anything to them. Since where they enter, they don't get nothing, near progress, nothing. Okay. Now when woman, since when you tell Marianne, have you ever traveled with her, with the children? Have you ever tried to buy tickets, travel to this closest part of the world with just small money? Have you set ordinary 1,000 aside and tell your wife, this 1,000 euro, that is 1,000 in Nigeria, I'm going to use it to buy tickets, and inside we will rent hotel and just look for small one. Let's start small like this. How many men can do that for their wife? How many? No, if someone do and once in 3 years, once in 5 years, or the ticket to Yavian Nigeria, to go to another country and pay for hotel, to some men they swear, ego me, emani be hotel, la miwe. But hotel is built around the whole world for such a purpose. This can also make women to, especially this social media time, where they are they are made, whether for fake or for audio life or smiling and suffering. Yes, she also want to do one. At least her own will be real. Her own will not be fake. Because on our own, most social media things now, everything are fake, fake, fake. Even when we know that nobody can fake tickets. People can still travel and people will still call it fake. But nobody can fake tickets. Okay, my people? Getting to know each other. How many husband and wife set that time these days to get to know each other? This lockdown, now time for people to really know each other. But do you know that a lot of men discuss money in the lockdown? If I don't make so money now, if I don't work so hour now, and this has not your problem. They can't just relax their mind and say, you know what? This lockdown of 18 is a privilege. It's a gift for me to know my family the more. It's a gift for me to love my wife the more. It's a time for me to stick to my family. No, they are still complaining about their business, money. They don't know they did not make good use of this lockdown. You have been traveling up and down. Now lockdown lock you up for where your wife did. Why are you singing? Be happy that you have. You said, I said ordinary 1,000. I said ordinary 1,000 for husband and wife that have children. Yes, my brother. If they know they pull hand for what it past them, 1,000 supposed to be ordinary for our people that lives in abroad. But they pull hand for where they not reach. You will see somebody where government they give money to make tell live in life, make they comfortable. Oh, yeah, more boy a 4 flat in Nigeria. Why you weigh 1,000 is not common. Because or here send the 3,000 and you were heavy ropa. But why when on low 1,000 the bay? Or where did you say 1,000 is only 1,000 is a chicken change? When you are really living well in abroad, 1,000 should not be something. By the way, my brother, you say 1,000. Did I say it's a chicken change? Who even go 1,000 holiday? Who go? Not these people where go still say Gario die, Gawa holiday, yeah, not okun we ever will hire you watching. Not those one they carry 1,000 after buy ticket go say I go holiday. My people, please reply on that one. Am I right or I'm too over the bridge on that one? Even the 1,000, so no fee still spend for their family. Okay. So please, I want to answer on that one. Somebody say I'm right. It's 1,000, not a chicken change, supposedly, for family who plan well in abroad. More talk true. If you have children, government are paying them in the country where government pay them. Some mothers that they save that 1,000 per 1 month where government they pay them for some countries. What did they use and do? They use until they pay osusu. When they give the 12,000 in a year, they use until go build 4 flat. Do you 3 years they waste it for those children? They can't take those children out because they always use their money for something dead they say we never get joy. So 1,000, my brother, sorry. For you, if it be big, maybe you are alone. For family, it's nothing. The cheapest holiday so far. But many parents cannot do it. But government is giving them more than that for those children. So why won't a wife be angry in that type of situation, Mr. Frank? Why won't your wife be angry when my husband look 1,000? Like say na heaven na earth. He cannot use it to take me to holiday. Say na waste of money. He go na no saya doctor ve rugby yoko. He go na no saya doctor busation ba. He go na no sawa ya doctor yoto. E ototo dehia. E wa no gue physically na. Wa ga show love in egbe manigbe na. Me wa show love. E go ni ma ya face oto. Na me ga bobe 5 years. Ma value ese okonongu esu sebe mana. Mas value ese monote we daddy. When wa yari 500 ladia, no ya de game okpa no giwe gbe. Ya say 3 years, the choice we not do a change. Woman have change your money on gbe. Why there? But we are wa mi gori la diampani awe otonu wa ya de ye gbeta na ka fense elegane ni ya moe. E jo wa ya moe dege. E no solo bo avion we men gberan me mo no solo bo avion we man. O wo no support we no solo bari we man. We appreciate we take at no ri restaurant no ri ba ni gbebe fun. Ah se restaurant we pour ketchup. We deny we yon ya wo a be yon ya. Okay, pour fanta de fanta no mo esu mo wa. Na wa ya kanu. Oh, some men really they keep us in joy, Ah, Jesus. He go say, Madonna say, if we call Madonna not the bellyful person now. What just use and test man? How much you be stay? €11. The chikieva, the kiawa by our dinner. I don't know, Gawaso, Gawaso. That's what some men take they to their wives. They can never take their wife to common Madonnas and say, sorry, I still say common. They can never take their wife to Madonnas and say, order how you want your belly to take food. You know, say, if they get time. Like my job, if you say, let's go to Madonna, and go say, am I going to order to test or to order as my belly? Because if you buy the denote, yes, boys' children, not all these Europe children. If you buy just the normal menu, that is order to test. But if you say order to belle full, or what your gadget in a row, or we put the nenemi wrap, put the chicken nugget, yeah, the ice cream and the milkshake and the big drink like yeah, the extra ketchup, yes, and put the mayonnaise. Oh, what way you what? That is to belle full. We are all getting full. So these days, children have two ways of going to McDonald's. Is it they want to test, or they want to eat and be satisfied? Before you carry them go, please decide. Don't go there when you want other chicken nugget, you say no chicken nugget, only the menu. Let them know at home so that they know how to prepare themselves. If not only menu, they know. Don't be where let's go to McDonald's. Yeah. When you get there, Big Mac. Yeah, I need 6 chicken nuggets and then. For what? Don't mind him. Please bring the enemy way. Wa go by McDonald's in everyone my corner. Don't tell no mama. You understand, my brother? You have a Genevieve where women they manage the resources for the sake of our children in future. That's why we invest in property. Which property in Africa? My brother, which property are you investing for the children in the future? In Africa, how many property do you have here before you go to Africa to go invest? Any investment in Africa? Sorry, my brother, it's not for your children here. This thing, at least now, since 10, 15, 20 years time, we go down to see the reality, because a lot of people wait there 50 years now. That time many who don't still they die, many who don't they old way. Those who not sick, they will don't old way. 20 years from now, a 50 years old man will be 70 years. Yeah, a 60 years old man will be 80. A 40 years old woman will be 60. More than they count and down. You that is 40 today, all your body still they make like 20 years from now. You will be 60 years. So you better start working for your 60 years. Because you bought Kaidegbe. Check when you were coming from Africa. 20 years old. Fear. And that 20 years, never still feel achieve more now. So never get land. Some get land, they don't get their desire. So never still feel settled for the country where they do. Wait tenant but 20 years if you so never know what to be mortgage. They themselves don't even know what is driving license. I'm waiting our own name. Okay? Don't look 20 years from now like say, 20 years from before I go reach 60 years, okay, no, 20 years from now. Oh, I are 60 years. When already read 30 years now, where you they use all these boys that they make you single mother up and down, you think say you not go. 20 years from now, you shall be 50 years be old. Ask people where they 50 years, say our life. Ni bouillon, if I break in hand be a because I eat the money. Picking where you born today, 20 years from now, you don't leave your home. Are you guys even thinking all this mathematics? Or you want it to come first before you think mathematics? Eh? Which children are you investing back home for? Which children? Are you bringing the money back here as euro, keeping it, having a way? Or the money is all in Nigeria? They enjoy now, wife, where it be say your husband and Nigeria, they do more things. I enjoy it right now. Because how many years from now, you don't know Nigeria money might be worthless. Since when we take come abroad, Nigeria money has never had value. It keep on this value. Maybe 5 years from now, €1 shall turn to 1,000 naira. Imagine in just 1 year lockdown, Nigeria money is already €100 to almost 600 naira. I'm at it talking 660,000. Imagine 5 years from now, €100 might go and land in 100,000. So go and bring 1 million How many million your husband get for home? How many husband have 100 million in Nigeria? How many of una husband get 200 million in Nigeria? By that time, convert it to euro. And tell me, can you even rent house in a year for your child? Can you even stand as a mortgage for your children? You don't do that. What guy with mathematics is not the reality. But now move forward. All this mathematics will not the reality. All this I'm investing. How many people have invested hard cash euro into Africa? And at the end of the day, he sell it and bring it here and he make the same value. You don't do 40 million of those days, 40,000 euro of those days. It's more than how many? It's more than 400,000 euro right now. Waiting 40,000 they do that time. 400,000 euro. He said, especially again, another bad culture that Africa is coming up with. When we were growing up, ravi jouer manae manome company, abi jagbe no tik, women no figo biku, egenania, iya mebi biele kae. When iya figo biku igo ni American. Oh, what's the here? Why damn it? But why? Nigeria, oh, what's the here? Omanore tenants, or filigo kwa when ya moji. Hey, salobo. Let me hear what's the here. You understand? That's why country where such things they happen, things they go down like this. More down. For them to buy that your house where you do like saying again. And later if I order, we sell it. Who want buy? When everybody they build for inside bush they go. Who want buy? No control. You don't zoom on and let me go there. Country where there is no control. Do you know Holland? That they get control of this year. This is how much house we can build. So that people can resell. Nigeria, everybody keep building in the bush. And you want to tell me where boy you are? Do you even know the more bad mentality right now? People when they build that for a side, but they will tell you now you be new GROA. Then you are telling me you are using all your fortune to build that in GROA. Who is coming to buy it when there is GROA in Obyogi? When there is GROA in Saple, inside bush before. When there is GROA in Okwokugbo. When there is later GROA in Nego. You never know. You are more fortune. We are going to be GROA. Years from now, the new GROA where that they build for everywhere. So, then go be GROA. A GROA now, give me no joke. Where I'm investing in Nigeria for my children that are born here in abroad. You lie. No house in Nigeria will value enough. Your children will come here and say, I make it. Otherwise, we forgot the year. Because a lot of people when they are abroad, don't they die? We never hear anyone now. No, you nya. Why you blow? Why my man, you know, who vegani? You gonna go mujo wabye na ya blow. Egya blow. Egya blow. Wakiona muregya ya blow. Wa muji okpa beba kere we ya extra B. Egya ya blow. But when not delemina ni yo tobe mana, the webona. Not in 20 years. God forbid something happen to you. Your children will blow. Your wife will blow. But black will not want to do that. Ordinary life insurance will blow your children's life here. But you rather go and do life insurance in Nigeria with house that will never increase in price. In short, the area will soon depreciate. Because every new villages is now a GROA. That's the most painful part. But do you know what white people do? If they say Amsterdam is an old country, it's an old city, they keep on modernizing it. They can never make Amsterdam to be so old that Amsterdam. But Africa, Africa will make us in GRA to be depreciating and begin to make us in the village to be appreciating. Who does that? You have to have a place you keep forever. Anybody that have property there is forever. It cannot depreciate. That's what Europe people do. Go to London, go price as if they born you. Why? As London don't old rich, how come houses where they not the cheap? because they keep there. They make it appreciative. And if they want to start from small villages, they start from there. Houses you will stay there. It will be more cheaper and more bigger than what they have in city. You will say why? They will say, yeah, it's city. Do Nigeria have a place that is city that has its expensive? Go to Lagos, the same thing is happening there. The same thing is happening there. All these villages, like I said, Lagos, I will say, yeah, the same price is being appreciated in everywhere. No, black, no. If you are smart, don't do it so. Other house where your papa they do everywhere. Tell you say, if you time to come, I tell it in million, I bring it here. Which naira where don't increase from 20,000, 100 euro, 20,000 to 40,000 to 60,000, or say 100,000, but what bets? 100 euro will soon turn to 100,000. And that one with the happy put. The more the money is rising, the more we are happy. We don't know that we are dying. We are killing ourselves. When the money goes down, you know that Nigeria is coming up. When the money keep rising, you know Nigeria is finished. It's finished. That's why sometimes they'll say, oh, money there now, come put money there. You're gonna move your make sure to all because we're here with a bed here, and you say waste. Total waste. What you ordinary 2,000 when we are there, 1,000 me real because the exchange rate is too different. Or you both they no make the own, they make Now Africa on the can Euro Georgia beer the liable more than 20 years now. That they sell on 34 cents. A bon say 40 cents since 20 years. And I may be in Nigeria, 1,000 yo, 1,000 in a kaya de giroma. You go no man say, no. Thank you so much, my lovely people. God bless you. One American celebrity, one buy property for Nigeria. Yeah, you can buy if you don't reach. What do you call a celebrity? No, say the get where you yourself. Now, so me talk for you. Black, we can really be comfortable and rich. Yeah. I wait to my fake be who work comfortable. He go na he love it na he problem no. But na yeah be the place where you go do that foundation. No be home. If you put them for home, any big man where you know for home now. We be saying abroad obije efeni owa eyan na settle egamo adema na ya wo gaverio egamo adema euro manahin igema orazigbe igema compared to Nigeria it's not the same. And please, my lovely people, please don't practice giving children money to spray. I beg you in the name of God. It pains my heart. It's not good. People now waiting they cause all this thief everywhere. Benin people don't practice it now. Other tribe are not doing it here. But the times all these small people when not get with it that they will start to have the fancy of spraying money. Oh jia barang ka gyotin wa emi wa tabunu ya. Ama wetin yen wa me gbokpa ni amuye gbiyan ya fi go kin gbaro. Okay. Me and my husband are investing here for the children more than in Africa. Yes. Okay, my lovely people. I'm not saying this so near invest in Africa and the twist them Monica. This coming 2021. Any old frustrated that shower useless with the people. We're going to change my work this coming year. It will not be well with that person. It's too late. Now go kill that person. Or we ain't what they need to. Anybody, old or young, we go twist my word this coming 2021. I say, una say, you never reach New Year. Make I quickly do. Go do now. No, I ever do. Now I yet defend moi, cause he might go egon. A night of 1,000 lag with you. What you want? Oh, what? Why on wa human gba? When are you wa human gba? Why won't me ba bo wa hian e bi yo? Huh? Where me wa gbon na e ma ga ro na ga so ni e be no de. Yan ma Georgia na ni bun. E gas na mi atie. Ogo e so wa ga Georgia ni ya. because ojo jani enya eve that binya ati enia ori oja ate ori do boite ori aga mwame fo ori we mumenwu amu ikia fo ori we gbemenwu amu na fo ori we irema ori ya te. That's why Oria not get good name for social media. When it comes to social media, if they not give a sugu, they will give a mush. If they not give a mush, they will give a ogbeti. If they not give a ogbeti, they will give a agbete. If they not give a agbete, they will give a area scatter. Because Oria tene, Oria even no man. When you measure another person, now people go say, this person, that one you just measure in any you very sugu, mish, agbete, this, that. Go wash your heads. If you reach your village this year, kill cow, use and wash your head. Say, this your head, how come they don't swell on? Yes, you need to wash your head. Don't forget, say, some people that time will sit down, pull while the other one bust your head with machine. Ever since they were Maggie ba. They were make ba. I never see woman where they work in so many years. No much progress. No much progress. Go and change your ass. Hell, Baba, competition with social media. They can't finish. Go and change your ass. Go see all these women where they in UK that day. I don't want to mention it. Now, social celebration. They are single mothers. They buy house for that London. Now there you go see excuse somebody say, "Let that to dear, you cannot buy house, oh, let that to dear, oh, let that to dear." Now women they buy house, go and do what they are doing. Money can never make you to buy house. You will become useless, extremely useless, total useless. Even your own follower go so, oh, this woman, you know what I'm guess. I guess here because all bo won't deaf by war. We will bossy ye me. Where we sing when I went here. If I say UK be 3 years, in me permanent. If I so raw neck po Maria de Uhum, 2 hours in your level yahin. Or when me ye 18 on our way to 2 hours. Or me. Any is that not juju? My people, that will not be juju. When person need to they do 2 hours, follow the whole East London, North London, back London, front London, even inside bus London, 2 hours. Is that not juju? Not juju for the person. Wow, so why when you akbe won? Oh, gwale kene money kana we juju. Kene money kana we juju mi ata wo baro. O gare wa we juju ne. Wa mi wo ye gbidigbidi abe bona mu gbe ya wa yo we juju ni wa wo mene wa gan we juju ne wa we juju confused don con wa wo ne you no confused no wu wa gbon o gwale e mani agbagbi na this one oh they can call it name ko to call yo Tokole your cry. This year, cry your cry low. Since we all of una they gather. Oh, vola wagbe. Oh, una need to change. So this coming year, even from today, any man and woman, when not get your own topic after I don't form my own, form your own. If person there just now we hear say, hey, they say somebody just they do name for them. If not the person fair form and do one, let her do one. Let the person do one. When somebody they come out for this social media can't read results. Oh, you see anybody will follow and do one. The person will follow and do one. That on get marry any amami no say yo. No kanya or any so or you walk on me walk but at least sound enjoy or any say. The other person try ma me no say your knee. Ya walk follow this one green, you want green. This one white, you want white. This one blue, you want blue. All say no name dabe de nena. Ume ade. Ume any family. U jeune gossen family yan we. Uve jeune nenemi fish yan we. We jo wabo, we ro wabo we sadunje. E that dog in group of we man. Ya mo we gbo. Amina ne. Akpobo ne no win beba. Where I am, where you proud, where you wear probably me ya pram the best. Me I not be you. We go come they say the other person not see you, the other person don't pass you. You not be it. You not be head. I be your own head. They say you not go feel carry anything. I be not the parts. Okay, we get react bobo. Wa bobo. Bobo ni gesu vena. Bobo ni gesu. Bobo. Gegala. Allez les femmes baiser d'adorer rien. Agua le vino roué. Allez les femmes baiser d'adorer rien. Agua le no roué. Express go leave you. It don't already leave you. Okay? As for me, before I can talk to any live video presenter that lives in UK, any one of them, go get a good house, at least a rented one. Even if you can't afford mortgage, I would do understand. Okay? At least, let me see you in a decent house where okay? Otherwise, you dare twist my word or talk to me when you are still in a, I don't even know what in UK they call that kind, that all those kind houses when not they complete. Please, so hey, call landlord, make come do your kitchen. If you not want, you have to be sure. Hello, Merry Christmas, my lady.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you. I'm on live video. You know that.
No, that's why I called. I can't comment because my hands are very tight for good.
Okay, very good. Very
good,
good, man.
Everything that is going on, you are really doing well, my sister.
God bless you.
This of 1,000 nights that you did, the lack of 1,000 nights, you've done well.
Thank
Everybody
you.
Appreciate you. The only people that did not appreciate you, they are the wishes and the winners, and we know them. Don't allow anything to bother you.
Lie.
Let them come in 1,000 form. God will cherish them.
Yes, so they will
Anyone that
scatter.
wants to use your name to sing, let them use it to sing. But you never know that what you did yesterday is for everyone's cash fund. It's just for fun. Anyone that wants to take it to any length, for you, it's a guy. You don't send anyone at all. Let them take it to places, so you don't care. You know, without you, they can't get topic.
Yes.
This is the topic you just give to them now. Anything that falls from your mouth, all those things that fall from your mouth, those are the things they eat. You know, they pack shit. After you finish shit, they used to pack it. If they don't pack it like this, that means the shit will be smelling everywhere.
Exactly.
Don't allow anything to bother you. Just relax your mind. Just keep on thanking God. Thank you, Jehovah, for your power in your life. You are really a leader. And nothing can stop your leader. If they would take this into their call, they could have known what happened yesterday. That it's just a form. It's not for catastrophe. It's not for fighting. It's not for discriminating. If anyone wants to pay millions for others to call you names,
let them cry blood for all I care. They don't say.
So hell with them.
Thank
They
you.
do whatever they want to do. But we that really believe in you, we don't care. If you
Thank
don't feel
you.
like this, you know go shine now.
No.
Let them do what they want to do. Let them recruit new workers. So we don't care. Monica, we your lovers will love you.
Yes, so forward never, backward never. Thank you. I hear you, ma. I swallow. Yes, so. Okay, there. Hey! All night party. I'll prepare and wear. This time I'll go look all of the home at there. Thank you. God bless you, child. A night of 1,000 lap part 2 coming up on the 31st of this month, crossing over. Yes, so this time I will sit down. I will go and watch them because yesterday, me even they watch the thing. I see say, oh, imagine. So I not going to remember those words where they talk. I go sit down, go watch all of you now. I'll come at time. Oh, yeah, boy. You understand? So, thank you so much, my lovely lovers. God will richly bless you. Thank you. That was the message, my brother. Check yourself very well. If you know, say, your wife, all these things, so where I talk, so if they will not house, make you change for your wife. Change for her, make she for they happy. Okay? They say, be yourself. Now for yourself, for outside, for your life. But for your relationship, you must change your kind of way to please person where you dey partnership relationship with. Okay? If you do wetin you like, me do wetin me like, we not go happy for relationship. But me, I need to give in to your own. You go give in to my own. Now friendship, take the sweet. You hear, my brother? So, by social media, in the mouth of everybody, yes, a married woman can be depressed. In short, now married women, depression feel reach pass. Because they are not free to do what they like. And the person that they are not doing it for doesn't appreciate them. You make them to be. Okay? Hello.
Hello, happy Christmas.
Happy Merry Christmas.
I bet you said the part two well. I bet you won't remember. Yeah, remember you asked me when you not talk for the part two. Eh?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, I did hear you, my lady.
The one when you go talk for part two, you'll say, if you want to read that book, to say they read the book, you'll say, you say, to say they read that.
Thank you, my lady. Go, it goes sweet. Why am I trusting Monica? Part two go sweet for me.
You go put that one, you say they read the book. After they not here, you want to read something. And you say, that's so.
Thank you, my lady. Celebrate to you. Oh my God, compliment your varsity. Okay, I'll go look there, practice and well. Thank you so much, my lovely lovers and fans. Please, anywhere where they twist this thing, Mona no mind them. Now, yeah, Mona no mind them. I know say they be our remnant eater. They must look for. You see, now, person will not get topics is all these days. They know they get their own idea. Monica don't do na hand. They want to. Oh, piano hogi no ni me when women nerunji. Women nerunji video ne. You person fit do topic finish, you fit see the area where you fit talk. It's normal thing. But those we go fit turn my own word to bad one, make their own be good one. Wagumen nerunia, where me am in the daughter na way too late. Okian biyan. As they busy so for social media, your boy ya just shut up. Again, I ya diagnose me am any big biyan. Our way is too late. Okian fian. Era me je mo hian tiam with it. If I do topic, I don't say one pick small inside. May you not pick, they go do your own. But say you must first of all carry me. Cause wait Monica talk. And then Monica won't talk buwabe ye no dena. Kedene na pawa no. Okbiano ho no. E de no mo ba mo we no. E keke no na zeru ugyupo azin. Azeni wa e kian gbe. O kian zin. Ne mi ge ela wela de. We need dan akyan hon we gbo mani wo pe 2021 no dey na ogun yen wa o pe an ko ri no we social media no wi yen mu nyamo we ememe kin na mu so to wi yen fi awa be neme o gugu do di emi ogo o ga nwa me o kin emi ame o yo we kan to no so ba je o kin emi ame o ga ji mu na ya na pe ne uhube miam okian ya ze oze ye miam je oze ye miam mo oze ye miam je miam okian so bo kunya owi e wa be ni Jesu imana ka change a topic come and you know when you do change your home emi na gbere mai begbe e social media na no re na isabi wa okian la agugi e ma ya fe no ga support e ya agbe yo emi ogogo we na ku e be God sent it. Ere akwe be ya no really la because all mu don reni all mu le everywhere here. Ege ni me so na me God sent ya this soon. Aga en we de na yan ki. I went ara bueno man yo we no bo we no kia. E de na ai kwe fitangie where some people rubbish we no mai wi amegbian. E me mo ki agbo. E mi me ogun we nyan. Oh, boom, we are better with social media. If I am not women, may have a gbe when Emi ame we aya mo where you talk. We are never ni dede no mo no mo we no. Warrior. More pray, more play music. May God bless all my people. No nya here na nyokin adwun emu we ni Jesu. Oh gam you can. Be no gam you can lilian ya. E ma ya no ye gatom you can. Oh gam you can. Thank you so much, my lovely people. After music, we are going. Why I head up to my work? It's a go, mammy. Jay. I'm gonna hear na mammy. What's the name of mammy? Tafiana se ni ana lelewe ewe hanya elele na gbo mama yan ewo pa Nigeria Holland na ya mu mi ante we bo ewo na yin ena mi odo ena be agbon na mama ena me be na me everything ena bo wa yo de na bo wa yo wa yes ewe bo Nigeria ne dala di na mama ena wo wa ewe bo na me ene dala di na mama oh, we are saying, what's saying? We say, "I never go, me." Nonsense. I don't man. What's saying? We say, "I never go, me." Oh. Okay, we need it. No, you will never. Wow, man, abroad. Ah, college. When they not moving, we badging, we need it. Même yo pa no ya ni ka kek mi ze o mi e bo ye gbe ma pa ma de o I maria go ma de o no ri ago me o sa ga ri age na bia ma de no ri ago me o agbon ga ri age o kia meje lele tiri country agbon mama country na pa agbon mama hey so ya se UK ya do ni shop ya agbon ya na mame e ya boa wo ya ma boa wa ni wa wa nu de monica rule ande o itie me ilu ebo ko se mi ya nu weti ewu yo mo mas gbae se ni kiana te lu ebo nu we ma say well juju you na juju no. Thank you my lady we koi babo na ria be afi me ifia me then you marry we me o kian meje the next time okay go change your house if you cannot buy if you cannot belong to the club rent a befitting respectable one to talk to me okay it's very disrespecting to be talking to somebody like me from that rubbish apart hostel house at your age. So I'm thinking where old pastor said that's why they do something way passive. That's why we not feel they the same level. because things where they do, not only old for my age. Your age, you wait before you finish where me day so. I don't know magic way you want to sharp, but they say never say never. You must change your way. This will not be my mate at all. In 1 hour must have said, Syria, where you're not the lady, but oh, why are where that can take a sweet Jesus. I can imagine the day when I go wash me a day, it's like I dey drive. When I can't wash, you don't shop your this music. Let me say the music don't come to pass for my life. I'm coming. Let me say the music don't come to pass. Syria, rien me ya. Eh? Hey! Oh. At least, has plus you say I dey call your ass. No, not true. But you see moto, you must call. No, so na bioriaria. Now they ever use it. Yes, say Monica. I walk by me laboda. Urulede wa do me singwo. Mami agede ni wa. Almost to say no wa. I say. Wa ya rekona no wa kege wa ge. Ma dege ni wa. O sene no wa. Thank you so much, my lovely Monica Lobolobo fan. God bless you richly. Please don't forget your message. Pardon me for this character. Okay. See you all later. 8 o'clock is another wonderful, interesting evening. Don't miss out. Bye. I might be late. 8. Let me turn it to 9. Finish this week. I see you guys by 9. Okay. I will be there because we want to do vote. So, Mona did there. Thank you. Bye.